Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, let's open the quick panel on our device. To do it, simply swipe downwards from the top of the screen twice. So 1, 2. After you open the quick panel, you should see this page, and on this page you should see the screen recorder icon. To start the recording, tap on it. Allow the permissions, so allow the permission. And here we can customize the settings before we start the recording. We have no sound, media sounds, and media sounds and mic. Basically, if you select no sound, there won't be sound on your recording. If you select media sounds, it will record the sounds from your tablet, from your device. And if you select media sounds and mic, it will select, or rather record your sounds from your device and also your voice. It will record the microphone, so you can talk while recording. Select one of the options, then tap on Start Recording, allow the permission, and as you can see, the countdown started, and after it's done, the recording will start. And here we have it, it's recording the screen. Now, right here we have the menu. We can hide it or open it by swiping on it. We can also tap on this icon right here, the pencil icon, to draw on the screen during the recording, as you can see. We can change the color also, like that. You can pause the recording by tapping on the pause button. You can resume it by tapping on resume. What else? We can also tap on the stop button to stop the recording and to save it. And you will get the notification that video was saved. You can tap on it, tap on video player, for example. Come on. And here we have our recording. Okay, let's close this and open the quick panel again. You can also press and hold on the screen recorder icon to open the settings for it. And here you can customize a couple of options. You have sounds, so basically you can select the sound output like you did before the recording started. Oh, my bad. Let's go back to settings. Let's open it again. So you can change the sound output or input rather, my bad, and video quality. So if you tap on it, here you can select the resolution of the recording, and you have high 1080p, medium 720p, and low 480p. Select the one you like by tapping on it. I keep tapping out for some reason, but yeah, let's open it again. Select the quality, and basically that's all you can change. You can change the sound and video quality. Okay, and that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.